Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create partition on Windows 10 on your hard drive. So let's get started. First, click the Start button and search File Explorer. Then select this PC. In here, you can see only the C drive and no other partition here. So to create a partition, you have to click Windows plus R key and type disk ngnt.msc. Then click OK. Then you will be taken to this management. Now select the biggest disk mentioned below. As you can see, I only have the C drive, so I'm going to select the C drive. After selecting the C drive, right-click it and select Shrink Volume. So here you can see I have 25 GB of available space on my hard drive. Anyway, I'm gonna create this using 1 GB, so you have to type 1000 MB and select Shrink. Now select the unallocated space and right-click it and select New Single Volume. Now select Next. Then select Next. Now select an letter and again select Next. Now click Finish. Now a new partition has been created. To check, close this window and go to your File Explorer and select this PC. Now you can see there's a new partition has been created. So this is how you can create a new partition on your hard drive. I hope this video was useful. Make sure to subscribe our channel to watch more videos like this.